Hello guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you some solutions to fix TikTok message problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, open the apps. Now on this page you will find the apps, click on TikTok app and then click on this force stop option and go down here to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on the data usage and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and then enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. Now you have to go back into the settings, click on wireless and networks, and then you have to enable the airplane mode and disable it again. After that, you have to go into the Play Store and update your TikTok into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.